at Whitehouse Machine Tools, and Gio and myself are going to be talking about the BIGLIA SMART TURN machine. This is a heavy duty machine, but it's all about one-hit machining.
It certainly is, Lindsay. Now, Whitehouse Machine Tools have proudly joined the Push Stop campaign to help industry get back on its feet. Now, this particular machine tool is something that really lends itself to cutting them hard materials. And you've just been talking to Neville, Lindsay. What did you find out?
Yeah, so this is a twin spindle lathe, essentially. And the reason I say that, and we'll explain why in a moment, but you've got the same speed on the spindles and power in both of those spindles. The euphoria here really is to have twin spindle, but you can have other options as well, like a tailstock. There are many other options there. But the reason why I delayed that is it is a lathe, but it's also got milling capabilities.
And I think this is one of the key benefits to this machine when you talk about the milling capabilities. It's got the power to cut any material types, whether that be Inconel or any other hard materials, with 20 kilowatts of power. The rigidity of this machine is second to none. And when you talk about the spindles, Lindsay, the main and the second spindle, they've also got the same torque, haven't they?
Yeah, a huge rotation on the head as well. Swarf conveyor, solid built machine, FANUC control. There's loads to it, but at a great deal.
And you never see them on the second-hand market?
No, you don't, because they are so solid and companies don't want to let go of these.
So join in or contact Whitehouse Machine Tools to find out more about the special offer and the deal that they're currently providing on this machine tool.